Hi, this is Matt McDermott, and I'm sitting here with Agnes Molnar, the author of a best-selling online training course for search.
Hi, I'm Agnes Molnar, and I'm sitting here with Matt McDermott, who is the author of the best technical SharePoint course on Pluralsight.
And together, we're going to be in Branson, Missouri for the North American Collaboration Summit, and we're going to be doing an all-day search workshop, and we'd love to have you join us.
You will learn about how to get ready for everything on-prem and in the cloud.
You're going to learn about how to implement search. You're going to learn about taxonomy and how important it is to use metadata on your search so that you can get good search results.
And I cannot repeat it enough, metadata is important.
And we keep saying metadata is important because it is. But then we'll also teach you about what's new in the SharePoint Modern Search.
And what's coming and how you can get ready for all those changes.
And how you can prep your users as well. So please join us in Branson, Missouri for the North American Collaboration Summit and our search workshop.
It will be fun, and we promise you will learn a lot.
Absolutely. There's some serious backlighting going on there. Hi, this is Matt McDermott, and I'm sitting here with Agnes Molnar. Do that again, because I'll introduce you.
Okay.
Okay.
I need more coffee.
I guess so. You can go back in and get it if you want.
I'm fine. More or less.